Feeling right as rain, unveiling the charm of English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're exploring the delightful phrase, to be right as rain. If you've ever wondered what it means to feel as good as a clear, refreshing day after a rainstorm, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this idiom and learn how to use it in our everyday conversations. The phrase, to be right as rain, is a classic English idiom that implies being in perfect health or feeling perfectly fine. It's often used after someone has been ill or has experienced some difficulties, and now they're back to their best condition. But why rain, you might wonder? Rain is essential for growth and life, and a good rain can make everything in nature seem fresh and revitalized. Similarly, feeling right as rain suggests a sense of renewal or recovery. While the exact origin of right as rain is a bit cloudy, it's believed to have first appeared in the 19th century. The phrase plays on the alliteration of the R sound and the positive connotations associated with rain in English culture. Rain is often seen as beneficial, bringing water to crops and clearing the air, so being right as rain emphasizes a natural state of well-being. This idiom is versatile and can be used in various contexts, primarily to express that someone feels good or that something is working perfectly. Here are a few examples. After a few days of rest and medication, I'm feeling right as rain. Don't worry about the car. The mechanic got it running right as rain. It's a positive, upbeat way to convey good health or proper functioning, making it perfect for both casual and more formal conversations. English is rich in idioms that convey a sense of well-being or proper function. Here are a few similar expressions. Fit as a fiddle, in very good health. In tip-top shape, in excellent condition. As good as new, fully restored to an original condition. Understanding these expressions can enrich your vocabulary and help you express nuances in how you're feeling or how something is working. We hope this exploration of to be right as rain has brightened your day and added a refreshing touch to your English learning journey. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to bring color and depth to your conversations, making them more engaging and expressive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms as naturally as the weather changes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.